you find anything?
Yeah, actually, I did.
Let me take a look.
I have a couple of rocks here that I kind of like. That one's a greenstone that was found there.
Hey, there's a good one. Let's see that one up close. Oh yeah, look at that.
It's a little copper, might have datolite in it. This is a
Oh, there's a datolite. Look at
datolite nodule.
Man.
I just wasn't sure about that one.
I just picked up this one. This one's can't really see it in the bag. Boy, that's a good one. Look at that. Let me see this side of it.
Just a round.
Yeah, that's a nice nodule. Oh, I'm gonna go. I didn't look down here yet. Oh, you have another one?
I found that one too.
Wow.
That's a big greenstone. So, not bad. Not bad looking here. And then a little one. So,
that's a pretty good collection there. So I found this little datolite nodule.
nice.
Yeah, that was a really nice one.
Well, let's keep looking along this bank here.
Okay, sounds good to me.
It's just along the road.
Yeah.
Just along the road.
Like a gravel ditch or something. It's like the culvert they put in here. Oh, what's this? Oh my goodness, look at that.
Wow! Are you kidding me?
That's a datolite. Look at that nice red.
Oh
my God.
Let me look. Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Let me zoom in on it. Wow. High five.
Nice find.
Well, we just made it back from the Keweenaw Peninsula. We had just a great time up there, let me tell you. It kind of all ended at the Quincy Mine Hoist Rock Show, the Rock Swap. And we just had a great time talking to Jeff, talking to Chris and Gary, and just a whole bunch of other guys. That it was just kind of a nice get-together. Got to see some great minerals at the Rock Swap. And so anyway, we're back here in the rock room. And we've got this great datolite here. Just want to show you. So it's the one that we found down there on the road. It's got some great color and looks to me like it runs all the way through. This side's a little bit whiter than this side. It's quite a bit more color on this side. So we're going to try to run the saw sort of right through the middle, just, you know, the biggest cross section that we can get, and go from there.
Well, the best way to cut this thing, I believe, is I'm going to run our bandsaw right around
just the longest
section we can.
Okay.
It's going to be hard to do, but we'll try our best to get as much out of it as possible.
All right, let's do it. Man, those are terrific. Look at that. Wow, you cut it perfect.
Yeah, it was nice.
Oh my gosh, look at the little flecks of copper right there. Man, what a nice piece.
A little bit polishing and...
Yeah. Well, there you have it. Really nice datolite. Hope you enjoyed that. Okay, we're just going to polish this up right now, this datolite.
This is we're on 1200 grit right now. This takes all the scratches from the 600 grit. Coming along pretty good. Switch to 3000. So I went 600, 1200, now this is 3000. These are diamond belts. Polish stage. Diamonds. Okay, this is the polishing stage. This is 50,000 grit diamond. And this will put a really nice shine on it.
Okay, I just brought these datolites up to daylight here so that I could get a better view of them on my camera. But let's see if I can get a non-shadow picture of them. There they are. Really turned out really good. That is a significant find by today's standards. Back of it. Really cool. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you feel like it, subscribe. It does help us out. So, until next time.